Welcome to the Chief Architect Quick Tip. Today, I'll be covering placing doors from the NanaWall manufacturer catalog within Chief Architect Premiere. So, let's get started. If you go to our 3D library website at 3dlibrary.chiefarchitect.com, you can find the manufacturer catalog NanaWall and download it. Now, I'll go to Chief Architect Premiere X7. Let's say this is an as-built of my existing living room, and I've measured it out and designed it in Chief Architect. I'd love to see what these great movable NanaWall doors would look like on my back wall, and I have this deck area that I love to open up our house to. The French doors have been nice for access to our deck, but we'd like to see the great view from our living room. We never really use this space and feel it's a bit cluttered anyway. So let's declutter this space. I'm going to hold down my Shift key and click on each item I'd like to delete. This is a great way to perform a multiple select and save time, rather than deleting these items one by one. Now, instead of placing a NanaWall door into my wall by selecting it from the library browser and clicking on the wall, we've made these as interior fixtures. So instead, I'm going to place a doorway in my wall, which the NanaWall doors can go inside of. I can grab its side and pull to stretch it to a larger width. Now, with my door selected, I'm going to click on the Center Object tool and move my mouse into the room until I see a gray dashed center line. I can tell it's going to center on the room, so I click and the doorway is centered for me. Now I'm going to use my hotkeys Control-E to perform Open Object on my doorway to resize it some more. Let's make it 200 inches wide and 9 feet tall. When I enter a number without a foot or inches symbol, Chief treats it as inches, so 108 gets me 108 inches, or 9 feet. I'll click OK, and wow, look at that great view. Much better than a cluttered wall. Okay, I'm going to select the SL82 from my library browser in the NanaWall catalog, and you can see the nice 3D preview down here. Okay, let's move our arrow into the plan, and once we're in a place the object will fit, we get a nice bounding box as a kind of preview of where it's going to place. I'll click and place it in my plan. Now, instead of hitting my hotkeys, I'll right-click and select Open Object. I'll change the height to 108 inches. Then I'll hit my Enter key to select the OK button and close the dialog. Now I'm going to use the hotkeys Control-Tab to switch back to my plan view and move that NanaWall of doors into place. I'm holding down the Control key to free up my movements with no constraints, like angle snaps, so it's easy to get it right where I want it. Okay, hitting Control-Tab again, I'll switch back to my camera view. I think that looks great. Awesome. Before I go, I want to show you a few great resources we have on our website. If we go to chiefarchitect.com, through our products drop-down you can compare our different product options or download a trial version so you can explore the software. We also offer many training resources you can access, a users forum to connect with other Chief Architect users, and sample plans to get you started. If you go to User Center Samples Gallery, you can find many examples of projects created in Chief Architect. Many of them have plan files and design documents you can download. Feel free to download a plan and work with it in your own software or the trial version of Chief Architect. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip and invite you to find additional resources through chiefarchitect.com or download a free trial of Chief Architect. Thank you for watching this quick tip and have a great day.